When financial hardship strikes and debt becomes overwhelming, many individuals explore debt relief options. Freedom Debt Relief is one of the largest and most recognized companies in the debt settlement industry. Their program involves negotiating with creditors to settle debt for less than the full amount owed. A common question that arises for those considering or enrolled in such a program is, does Freedom Debt Relief overlook a payment or perhaps allow you to miss one? As a finance expert, it's crucial to clarify how debt settlement programs, including Freedom Debt Reliefs, operate regarding payments. The simple answer is that Freedom Debt Relief does not overlook payments in the traditional sense, nor do they allow you to simply miss a payment within their program without consequences. In fact, regular and consistent payments into your dedicated account are the backbone of their entire strategy. Let's delve into the mechanics of a debt settlement program and what happens with your payments. The debt settlement model, a crucial shift in payments. Freedom Debt Relief's program works by having you stop making direct payments to your creditors for the debts enrolled in their program. Instead, you make regular, agreed-upon monthly deposits into a dedicated, FDIC-insured savings account that you control. This account is often held with a third-party financial institution. Here's why this is significant. Building a settlement fund. The money you deposit into this dedicated account is accumulated to build a lump sum that Freedom Debt Relief will use to negotiate settlements with your creditors. Creditors are often more willing to settle for a reduced amount if they know a lump sum is available. Signaling hardship. By stopping payments to your original creditors, your accounts become delinquent. While this negatively impacts your credit score, a significant drawback of debt settlement, which we'll discuss, it also signals to creditors that you are experiencing financial hardship and may be more inclined to negotiate. Your payments to Freedom Debt Relief into your dedicated account. The payments you make to your dedicated account are not overlooked. They are essential and non-negotiable for the success of the program. Strict payment schedule. When you enroll with Freedom Debt Relief, they will work with you to determine an affordable monthly deposit amount based on your budget and debt load. This becomes your new critical payment. Consequences of missing a deposit. If you miss or are late with a deposit into your dedicated account, it can have serious repercussions for your debt settlement program. Delay in settlement negotiations. The primary goal is to accumulate enough funds to make attractive settlement offers. Missing deposits directly delays this accumulation, pushing back the timeline for negotiations. Creditor impatience. While negotiations are ongoing, your original creditors may continue collection efforts. If funds aren't accumulating as expected, creditors may become less willing to negotiate or may even pursue legal action, like lawsuits, if they perceive you're not committed to resolving the debt. Program termination. If you consistently miss payments, Freedom Debt Relief may terminate your enrollment in the program. This leaves you directly responsible for the full, original debt amounts, potentially with accumulated interest and fees and a damaged credit score from the period of non-payment. Fees. Freedom Debt Relief's fees are performance-based, meaning they are typically collected only when a debt is successfully settled and paid. However, if your program falters due to missed payments, you might not achieve the settlements you hoped for, potentially still owing fees for services rendered up to that point, or finding that accumulated fees outweigh the benefit. The role of communication and hardship. What if you genuinely face another financial setback after enrolling in Freedom Debt Relief's program, making it difficult to make your agreed-upon monthly deposit? Communicate immediately. Just like with any financial obligation, open and immediate communication is key. If you anticipate or experience difficulty making a payment to your dedicated account, contact Freedom Debt Relief immediately. Reviewing your plan. They may be able to work with you to temporarily adjust your deposit amount or payment schedule if your financial situation has genuinely changed and you can provide documentation of the hardship. This is not overlooking a payment, but rather a modification of your payment plan within a program's framework. No guarantee of flexibility. While they aim to help clients succeed, there's no guarantee they will always be able to accommodate missed payments or significant reductions without impacting the program's effectiveness or duration. The success of debt settlement heavily relies on your ability to consistently fund the dedicated account. Why the misconception of overlooking payments might arise. The confusion likely stems from the fact that in a debt settlement program, you stop making payments to your original creditors. This cessation of direct payments is a deliberate part of the strategy, but it's replaced by a new, crucial payment obligation to your dedicated savings account. It's not a free pass from paying. It's a redirection of payments with a specific strategic goal. The risks of debt settlement. While freedom debt relief can be a viable option for some, it's essential to be fully aware of the risks, which are directly tied to the payment structure. Credit score damage. Your credit score will likely drop significantly as you stop making payments to your original creditors. Accounts will go into delinquency and may be charged off. This negative impact can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years. Collection calls and lawsuits. Creditors are not obligated to negotiate, and they can continue collection efforts, including phone calls and potentially lawsuits, while you're in the program. Freedom Debt Relief may offer guidance or access to legal support, but they cannot legally prevent these actions. No guarantee of success. There's no guarantee that all your creditors will agree to settle or that you'll achieve the desired reduction in debt. Tax implications. Any debt that is forgiven for $600 or more may be considered taxable income by the IRS, meaning you could owe taxes on the amount of debt that was settled. Fees. While performance-based, the fees can be substantial, typically 15 to 25% of the enrolled debt amount.